What's up, everybody? Welcome to another trade recap. Today's trade recap is for Thursday, March 27th, 2025. Today, we had some beautiful, beautiful price action. Um, so let's get right into it. Um, let's start off on the higher time frame. I know right now all this looks like a mess, so let me just right. So coming into the market, right? Starting off on the 4 hour, right? What do I see? Not really much, right? All I see is basically uh this 4 hour imbalance, and that's pretty much it. It was just a 4 hour imbalance, and that's it. So from there, right, we scale down to the hourly, right? Look to the left, we had this hourly imbalance along with this hourly low. Along with all these hourly lows, uh, hourly highs, and previous session highs and hourly highs, and hourly imbalance, and hourly imbalance up here as well, or 4 hour imbalance up here. So after marking all that out, right, we are ready to scale down, right, to the 5 minute. What are we waiting for? Price to enter one of our key levels. See, it came and tapped this hourly imbalance to the T, and quickly taking out these hourly lows and hourly lows. As soon as it reversed, I'm waiting for a confirmation of reversal, right? And we get that, right. It can either be a break of structure, SMT, or inverse fair value gap. So what do we get first? This inverse fair value gap right here. Clean this up. We got an inverse fair value gap right here that gets inversed and closed out of it. At that point, I'm just waiting for a tap into it for continuation, right? Which we do. Next candle quickly taps into it. At that point, I am ready to catch my trade. Taps into it, and it's within our macro time, which is 9:50 to 10:30. Taps into it, and all I'm waiting for is a break of structure at this point, which we get with this candle up here, along with inversing this huge displacement of a bearish candle, right? So enter, right, and Long John Silver. What am I aiming for? I mean, for Asia and London session highs. My first take profit was at a 1-to-1 to secure some profits. I take 15% of my position off at this 1-to-1, right? And my second and third TP were at Asia and London highs. My 1-to-1 gets hit, quickly comes back down, starts to out from my recent position because I bring my stops to break even after hitting my 1-to-1. At that point, I'm like, okay, what's going on, right? Let me clean this up. So I see that we clearly broke structure on the 5 minute, right? At this point, I know we for sure are bullish, excuse me. So what's going on? I'm looking at the 5 minute. I see that we're lacking momentum, right? But I do see we have an imbalance right here. I've seen that we've inversed this 5 minute, this 5 minute, and this 5 minute fair value gap on the 5 minute. So we're clearly on bullish order flow. So we haven't had a clear reversal yet on the 5 minute, right? I see that we have this 5 minute fair value gap, right? That price comes into, taps into it, and I'm watching price, and I also see that we're within this 1 minute fair value gap that's also holding at the same time. At this point, I'm like, okay, I'm waiting for a break of structure, which we get right here at this candle, right? With this candle. Once I see that, I quickly re-enter. I put my stops right at the end of this minute fair value gap, 5 minute and 1 minute fair value gap, and my targets are still at the same place. I enter, and I'm aiming, and I just let it ride, and it quickly heads up and hits all my take profits. So a beautiful, beautiful trading day, right? I can move my drawings now, and if I take off replay, I believe you can see my executions. Yes, right here. So enter off the 1 minute fair value gap hold, rejection out of it, 15% right here, take off. Uh, and then price comes down, stops me out. I break even, re-enter, and takes me out um fully at my full TP. So simple stuff. Really easy. Beautiful trading day. So with this day, um, we have, I believe, 2 wins, 1 loss this week, right? Something like that, around there. Because I do remember taking a loss recently. I think it was, I want to say yesterday or the day before that. One of those two. I don't remember, but I did take a loss. But I took some more trades to make some of that loss back. So we didn't take that much of a heavy loss or a full loss in a sense, right? But yeah, with that being said, guys, that was today's trade recap. Beautiful trading day. Beautiful, clean price action. Cannot complain, right? But thank y'all for tuning in. Hope y'all learned something from these trade recaps. And yeah, catch you on the next trade recap, people. Peace.